Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today I'll be sharing a great resource for people who are just starting learning web development. It's a GitHub repo where there will be 50 projects in 50 days, 50 mini projects. So it's a kind of challenge for you, and throughout the process you'll be learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and making 50 projects. So it's a great challenge for you. So let's see what the GitHub repo is, and just let's dive into the video. So we are in the screen, and as you can see, this is the GitHub repo I was talking about. It is named Brad Traversy slash 50 projects 50 days. So it's a complete list of 50 mini projects using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So if you're just a beginner trying to learn web development or starting web development, then it's a best list for you to get started, because it's a kind of challenge for you for the 50 days. Okay, so if I move down, so here are the all the projects they have listed. Okay, just we have to click each and every one day by day, and you have to maintain this challenge. Okay, so it's a complete challenge for 50 days, so you have to maintain this challenge, doing like doing completing projects daily, and you can share these all to your social medias also, like Twitter, LinkedIn, and it's a kind of challenge. And also you have to be motivated and do projects daily, so that like in 50 days you make 50 projects, right? And you will be well knowledgeable with HTML, CSS at the end of the 50 days, right? So these are the projects they have listed in way of folders. So just we have to click one, like make those projects on your own, and you can just share on your social media, and just don't break the streak. Okay, so maintain this challenge for continuous 50 days, and I will make sure this challenge will make you more knowledgeable on HTML, CSS than like what you are right now. So at the end of the 50 days, that you will be looking at, you like, you'll be like, wow, I have learned so much in these 50 days making this kind of quality 50 projects, right? So these are the name of the 50 projects. You can see their live demo also. So there's a course link also. Okay, so if I click on this is a 50 projects 50 days, the Udemy course also. If you just having problems, you can take this course also, and their website are also there. So it's a complete 50 days 50 projects complete list. So these are the total 50 projects. So it's just a challenge and to make you very much expert, not too much, because HTML, CSS, JavaScript is something like HTML can be learned easily, but CSS and JavaScript is something like you have to keep on learning and learning. But still, just to practice and be into a intermediate level, 50 projects is capable of it, and it's a kind of challenge. You have to maintain it, and if you want, and just see the result, it will be worth it. Okay, so this GitHub repo is all about this. So I just request you to uh, take this challenge, share your projects on social media, and also you can tag me also, like can thank me. It's not compulsory, but yeah, like you can make these projects in 50 days. So yeah. I hope you have watched the video till the end, and it has motivated you in some way. If it does, then do give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more such content, and see you in the next video.